the last person, he didn't say the name out, but I heard it from Regan later on, who whispered to us that he also called Pastor Ssenyonga.
Okay. So, most interested in your interaction with Jamil that night. He calls you, he coaches you, he also calls those people. Did he do or say anything else while he was with you in the cells?
He continuously urged us to insist that Pastor Kayanja sodomized us, and he assured us that we will get help and even get out of the jail. The cells.
Did you know Jamil before that incident, before him coming in the police cells?
No, I didn't know him, but I got to know him when I was out after some good time.
When you were out?
Out of the cell.
When you say out of the cell, at the police station or later?
Later, after some good time.
Yes.
Because when I went out of there, I decided to leave each and everything about that.
Yes.
But after some time, a certain lady claiming to be Nandutu called me. She even first called me on video call on WhatsApp. And she told me, like, you were given a bond, but you did not come back. And I said, the fact is that I was afraid to go back because I didn't want to be in that shit again.
Yes.
So that day she tried to convince me and I said I will come, but I did not go. The next day, they called me.
When you said they, you mean who?
Nandutu called me. They called me. There is a certain restaurant around Kawempe. Because she said, don't be afraid, just come and you make the statement. So
Yes.
I went there, where I found Jamil.
Yes.
Agre, Kanene, and Waswa. Plus Nandutu also.
Found them where?
There's a certain restaurant, I don't recall the name, in Kawempe.
In the restaurant.
Yeah.
So what happened when you found them?
Even Wakamala Alex was there.
Yes.
And they tried to convince me to make a statement accusing Pastor Kayanja that he sodomized us.
Yes.
I told them I don't feel safe about this. They really tried to convince me and promised me some good money.
Who convinced you and who promised you what?
Jamil, they convinced me that they are going to give me 800,000.
Who?
Jamil. And I told him, because I was not feeling, I didn't feel like I want to do it. I told him I don't feel safe. I will come back when I feel like I'm ready to do it.
Yes.
So the next day,
And
like
in
on that day,
No, wait a minute. Let's exhaust that meeting in the restaurant. Apart from Jamil convincing you, did any other person tell you anything?
even Nandutu, they were convincing me that I should make, they wanted me to make the statement right then. They even bought me food.
Yes.
On that day, they even gave me transport of 50,000 so that I come back the next day, because I had refused to make the statement right then.